Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. SJVN recruitment is active. There are about 7 vacancies for executive trainee legal post. In this video, I am going to stress upon the points why you should not miss this opportunity. What are the reasons due to which you should definitely give this exam even if this is not your target exam? Even if you want to join SEBI, NABARD, IFSC, PFRDA or in fact any other organization, but you should appear for this exam. The very first reason is there is no experience required in this exam and final year candidates are eligible. Understand here, if you are a student who is in final year and you want to see what kind of exams are these, how are these exams structured, you can attempt this exam just to have the feel, just to understand the pattern of questions that are asked in these exams. And there is no experience required. So if you are just fresh graduate and you have just started your preparation, you can still think of appearing for this exam. Any graduate degree in law, it could be 3 years or 5 years, with minimum 55% marks for unreserved category and 50% for other categories are eligible for this exam. Final year candidates are considered for the selection process. By 31st of July, you should be able to submit a copy of your final consolidated mark sheet. Another reason to appear for this exam is there is no negative marking. This is a computer-based test. It's a 2 hours paper. There are 150 multiple choice questions, out of which 120 are from the legal part and 30 questions are from logical reasoning, intelligence test, general ability, etc. And there is no negative marking. That is why I am saying attempt this exam just to have an understanding of what kind of questions are asked. And with decent preparation, you may as well clear this exam. Now 7 vacancies may seem to be less, but for legal recruitment in a single organization, the vacancies are always limited. They are not too much high. So I don't think vacancies should restrict you. The rest is obviously your call. You can rely on your basics, whatever you have studied in your law graduation to even appear for this exam. With decent preparation, you can go and attempt this exam. So that is why you can look into this exam. And I believe the level of this exam will be similar to Coal India Limited. So if you have appeared for Coal India Limited, you should definitely fill the form for this exam. Now coming to constraints, the reason because of which you may feel that you should not apply for this exam, number one is huge syllabus. Almost everything is mentioned in the syllabus. Jurisprudence, constitutional law. So if you see, there are headings mentioned in which there could be multiple laws: property law, labor law, law of taxation, company law, administration law, alternate dispute resolution, rent laws, banking and insurance. So there are headings mentioned and there could be multiple laws that need to be prepared for this exam. And that could be a huge limiting factor. Go with specific preparation. At least prepare those laws which will appear in other exams as well. In this way, you can give this exam and you can also start your preparation early for any upcoming exams. Another reason could be there is no information on the exam dates. You can fill this online application form till 18th of May. And based on my experience, this exam will go somewhere in June end or even in July or later. PSU exams can have a longer cycle, so you may have more time to prepare for this exam. You can even see this exam somewhere in August, September. Keeping that in mind, you can even target this exam seriously. If you need any kind of study material to prepare for this exam, you can check out our SJVN Executive Trainee Law online course, in which there are video lessons, live class discussions, there are study notes present, there are a lot of practice questions, and there are 5 full-length mock tests. This is the structure of the exam. Here you will find computer-based tests, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, general awareness, in which you will have ancient history, medieval history, then you will have legal discipline, other laws and acts, civil laws, criminal laws, constitutional laws, environment laws, insurance laws, family laws, labor laws, property, land, rent laws, acts related to economic, social offences, laws of taxation. So you will find a lot of material present in the course. Full-length mock test will be added soon. For your practice and revision, you will also find MCQ booklets, section tests in this course. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.